Good morning, beautiful people.
Hey everyone.
We have a very limited time here in Wroclaw in Poland. I think in Polish they call it Wrocław.
I'm not even going to try with my throat.
I don't really know how it came to Wroclaw, but yeah, it's Wroclaw. Anyway, we are walking around at the moment trying to get ourselves something to eat first. Start up with a nice breakfast.
It is 9:10. I'm hoping to find something open. Things usually open at 10 around Eastern Europe, so let's see.
So something cool in Wroclaw is that they've got, I think, 136 dwarfs strewn around the city, and we just stumbled on two. They're so cute!
They were apparently set up as a peaceful protest against the government. It seems to happen a lot in this region. It's apparently a really fun game to try and spot the dwarfs in the city. It's really cute.
Oh, I like it. It's really cool. It's like a little treat whenever you walk around. You're like, tiny man!
I didn't expect to see it so quickly. We've only been walking for like 10 minutes. Wait, there's another one!
This is awesome. They're pretty much everywhere here.
It looks like a troll.
What the hell is it?
I don't think it's one of the dwarves.
Don't know what it is, but it ain't a dwarf. First impressions of Wroclaw, really cool. Nice and quiet outside. There's not, droves of people everywhere.
And it's just stunning.
It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Another one.
That's adorable. Okay, we're not going to point out every single one of them, so don't worry, but it's still pretty fun. I think this is it. I think this is the old market.
So we made it to the old town hall. This thing was constructed between the 13th and the 16th centuries, and it looks pretty awesome. Amazing, actually.
Yeah, back to that Gothic architecture again, which I love.
Yeah, we literally just chose the direction and started walking, so it's really cool that we're coming across all the cool stuff.
I don't really have much time for today. I'm really just walking around. We know like a couple things, so I knew this was here, and I want to go to the zoological gardens, the botanical gardens, but we're just gonna aimlessly walk around.
And eat food though. We do want to try some traditional Polish dishes, like pierogi.
I'm so excited. Dumplings.
We have bean breakfast. It looks amazing. So on my side I've got some scrambled eggs with some chives, cappuccino.
I got my yogurt and it has raspberries in. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's bigger than my breakfast. I actually just want an iced coffee, but that's what I got.
Breakfast was amazing. Can definitely recommend Vincent's Cafe or Vincent Cafe. Oh, and also found another dwarf.
Really? I didn't see him.
I didn't see him either.
Oh my goodness.
These little buggers are everywhere, man.
I just want to say, they're ready to sneak up on you. Like I was looking at the table, I was like wondering, like, where's the next one? It's right there.
Oh my goodness, once you start seeing them, it's impossible not to see them. There's another one. So now the breakfast is done, we're just trying to plan a route to get us around. There's a couple of things that we've just quickly spotted that we do want to do. So we just want to plan the best possible route to hit everything without doing too much back and forth. So next to the town hall, the old town hall that they've got here, it seems like they've got a bit of a market that happens, I don't know, every weekend or when it happens.
Maybe every day. I mean, it sounds like it's been going on for a while.
Yeah, but anyway, there's a market. We're gonna go check out the market. the meat game is strong.
Who needs a beach? Just throw sand on the ground and here you go, sorted.
Breakfast was really good, but we're a little bit sad that we didn't walk through the market first.
Okay, it was closed. We were early as far as Eastern Europe goes. I mean, who opens at 10? For goodness sake. Anyways, I'm really sad. I only saw the skewers now. They look delicious.
Oh, but we saw something peeking out from the market and we're going to go investigate. I mean, when I say peeking, it's probably more like towering. But anyway, we need to see what it is.
Jeepers, my poor neck. You know when you have to look up at a building and your head starts going the other way? That's how tall this one is. It's insane. I don't know how they built this thing.
Yeah, this thing is huge, but more importantly, it's another dwarf. So we found out what it was. It's the Church of St. Mary Magdalene. It's really beautiful. It's an old building, again, you know, typical of the European style. But sadly, the inside, I mean, although still magnificent, you can see the signs of a little bit of disrepair.
Some water damage to the roofs.
I just get sad whenever any kind of old building really looks a little bit dilapidated, but I understand that it does cost money. If you do have the time and money, definitely just come and visit, donate a little bit, help them repair it. Really pretty.
Don't know where we are.
Whoa, check the spiders.
Whoa.
I am not going in that bush. Nope. That's a nope. I don't want to go into any of these bushes. Look at all these spiders, man.
Oh, it's fine when Europe, nothing hurts us here.
Man, they need to set these bushes on fire. Any hoodle. We're trying to make our way to the Tumski Bridge. Sorry, Polish people, I'm really sorry. It's another bridge where they just slap a whole bunch of those love locks on. We've seen so many places in frickin' Europe do this, like trying to copy the French. But hey, they said it's a cool bridge, I want to go see it. So I think that we're in the semi-waterfront area. It's the river splits into like 2 or 3 different directions, and there's a couple of islands around here with a whole bunch of bridges connecting everything here. And it just genuinely looks beautiful. It's so pretty.
Okay, we have found the Love Bridge, and I now understand why it's called that. See, I told you it was a little bridge.
I think very soon they're going to have to take all of this down because it's just going to weigh down the bridge. I feel like they might have gone overboard with the churches in this place. They've got a church behind me here, another church on this side, and then another one in the distance. And because it's 12 o'clock, it's just sounding like the clangers everywhere. So after all that walking to the Love Bridge, it's about just after noon here, and it's really hot. Today is going to be 26 degrees Celsius for those watching. So we decided it's maybe time to just get some refreshment, and then we'll continue going off, and we're going to go visit the Japanese garden, which I think is going to be pretty amazing. Oh my goodness, that is super refreshing. It's not a wine. You don't have to snuff it.
I like to smell my beer.
Weirdo. This little island area just around the river is genuinely beautiful. Just all the buildings, it's old architecture. Pretty much think anything 1300s and up.
Another neck-breaking tower, but it's spectacular. I'm loving Poland. That's just beautiful. We're going to the botanical garden, which just happens to have a Japanese garden, which everyone recommends you come see. Apparently some dude in the early 1900s hired a Japanese designer and architect to come and construct a garden for the World Fair or the Great Exhibit or something to that effect. and now it's just really something everyone recommends, so that's what we're going to see. But the main thing is the botanical garden.
I'm going to the Japanese garden. I don't know what she's talking about.
They have gardens.
To find the little wooden church or chapel or something. This is also in the garden where the Japanese gardens are in. We haven't found the Japanese gardens, but I think we're hot on its trails. Coming soon.
Hello, can we pay a card?
No.
Only cash. Alright.
So we made it to the Japanese garden. As the lady said, unfortunately, they only accept cash. And we haven't drawn any of the Polish currency. It's about $5 per withdrawal for us. And seeing that we're not going to be here for very long to use the cash, we can't really draw enough to make use of it properly. We did, however, get to walk around in the normal gardens, like in the botanical garden, which is really cool. They've got a huge area that's just forested and some open areas where people can lie down on the lawns. But I would have liked to see the Japanese gardens. Sad. Any booble. It's already like 3 o'clock, so I think what we're going to do is try to get back to the market and grab something to eat there, hopefully some fine Polish cuisine, but we need to get there first and I'm not prepared to walk again, so we're going to try to grab a tram. Do you feel like some KFC?
No. There's only one thing I want right now.
And what's that?
Dumplings. What? So we got ourselves 1.2 liters of lemonade and we ordered all dumplings, but we got a side of bread and some yummy cottage cheese with it as a little snack. I got a dumpling. So the large plate is the non-vegetarian one. So they look the same, but inside these is stewed meat and mushrooms, which is really traditional. And we got the onion and bacon sauce, which was recommended by the waitress. So this one, it's also traditional, or rather popular. It's called the Russian dumpling, and it has potato, a traditional cottage cheese, and onion. And this is a spicy tomato sauce because it's me and I love my tomatoes. So.
In Polish, I believe it's called pierogi, and it's just a Polish-style dumpling, basically. We're going to give the non-vegetarian option a first try. Oh damn, that's good. Oh yeah. I don't know why they call it a sauce. It's more like just like bacon and onion. And then we're going to try the vegetarian option. And that's also very good. It almost tastes like
ravioli.
Yeah, it almost tastes like a ravioli. All right, but now I'm going to slay everything.
Worth it. I'm happy now.
Yeah, that was really amazing. I realized that they might not look super appetizing, but they are really good. So now that we've had lunch, we're going to head back to our Airbnb just for a little while. We need the time to go past because our next activity is only later tonight. So we'll see you then. Ooh, doggy. Yeah, I lost my beard. So today is the 26th of May.
Which means?
It is Mother's Day in Poland.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And that also means that here at the Multimedia Fountain, they've got a very special kind of event tonight where they're going to have like a special show celebrating Mother's Day. Yeah, we're going to give you guys a glimpse of that. But that also means that's where we're going to clock off for tonight. We both have our beers and we're ready to just enjoy the show.
Oh yeah.
So,
thanks for watching.
Stay awesome.
We'll see you next time.